Hey everybody, it's Friday. You're probably still home sleeping. It's about 10 time. I'm reading upside down. 10:18. Just had some parent meetings and they went really well. And just wanted to go over your homework from class yesterday that's due on Tuesday. The one that's on Canvas on the motion problems, because I think some people were struggling with a couple of the questions. Also leading into you're about a week and a half out from your quiz over motion with distance, displacement, speed, and velocity. So your homework again is on the exit ticket page right there. Okay, you go to the motion problems, and then real quick. So these are kind of not tricky, but it's making sure that you understand all those different things that we're learning about. There's the picture that's showing up. So what's going on here? It says there's going on a rafting trip, and you have to find the distance traveled, the displacement from the green to the red dot, the average speed, average velocity. So what you need to do for the distance, and I told you that pretend that these are evenly spaced, they're evenly lengthed. Up and down is 200 meters. So just count by 200s for the distance. So 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,400, 1,600, 1,800, 2,000. So the distance is going to be 2,000, and then your units are going to be meters. Distance doesn't care about direction, okay? And then the displacement, you look where you finished compared to where you started. So how far away are you? It doesn't matter all this stuff. Displacement's straight line. So down here it tells you that that would be 600 meters. So you select 600, and then the key with displacement though is you need a direction. So that you went meters but to the east. So 600 meters east. Average speed is the distance divided by the time. Up here it tells you that that whole trip took 50 minutes. So you take the distance, which was 2,000, and you divide it by the time, which is 50. 2,000 divided by 50 is equal to 40. And then this one is going to be in meters, because meters were distance, and then our time was in minutes. So it's going to be meters per minute. And then the last one deals with velocity, which is displacement divided by time. So take 600, which is our displacement, divided by 50. So you're going to get 600 divided by 50 is 12. And your velocity needs a direction too. So that's going to be in meters per minute east. Okay? Alright, number 2 says my family was going skiing down a mountain, and the ski lifts go up and down, and the distance to go up would be 1,000 meters, down's 1,000 meters. And then it says the whole trip took 60 minutes. So similar, you're going to go the distance, so you just count by 1,000 because this up and down distance is 1,000. So it'll be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. So your distance would be 6,000 meters. Your displacement, you just look at distance from how far away are you when you finished compared to where you started, and that distance would be 700. And those are going to be in meters east, because you finished to the east of where you began. Average speed, you take the distance, which is 6,000, divided by 60 minutes, which is going to give you 100. And then your speed again was meters divided by minutes, so that's going to be meters per minute. And then your velocity, you're going to take 700 divided by 60. That's going to give you 11.7. And those you need a direction with. So velocity is going to be meters per minute east. Okay? And then we got one more. Last one says Mrs. Top's going, she's training for the Winter Olympic Games. And it says side to side, each distance from the side is 50 meters. So 50 meters, 50 meters, 50 meters, 50 meters. So the distance she traveled would be 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 meters. So 250 meters. And then your displacement, and this one's off to the side a little bit, but for sake of easiness wise, it's going to be 100 meters. And then what direction did you travel? Did Mrs. Top travel? It's going to be meters south. Average speed is the distance, which is 250, divided by 2 minutes, which gives you 125. And those are in meters per minute. And then the last one is the displacement divided by time. So you've got 100 divided by 2, which gives you 50. And that's going to be in meters, meters per minute south. And that's it. And you submit it, and you get, where to go? Where's my score? Oh, there you go. Boom. All right, we are going to move on to motion graphs on Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll be in the lab on Wednesday, Thursday, and then the following week we'll have our quiz probably early Tuesday, Wednesday sometime. So we've still got about a week and a half. Please let me know if you need some help. Email me questions, come see me during study hall, and we'll get it. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Stay out of trouble. Have fun.